PTN. My name is Jana.
And I'm Charlotte.
And
our question is, how do planes mechanically fly?
Aeroplanes. They're the big, heavy hunks of metal taking over our skies.
Someone should do something about them.
Something like celebrate their wondrous ability to defy gravity while taking us places quickly and conveniently?
Oh yeah. Anyway, I've come to a place that does just that. The South Australian Aviation Museum. Where better to understand how planes fly than a place showcasing how flight technology has changed and improved over time. I'm getting some expert help from volunteer John.
Tell us about this.
Well, this is a Mark V Spitfire 1943, and it was pretty fast at its time.
So, John, how do planes like this one actually fly?
Well, it's the airflow going over the top of the wing and underneath the wing. Because the forward motion, and you increase as the engine goes and takes you faster forward, this wing will actually lift up.
Wings make lift by changing the direction and pressure of the air crashing into it. These wings have a curved upper surface and a flatter lower surface. The curved upper part of the wing lowers the air pressure directly above it, and the lower part of the wing increases it, helping to generate lift. There are a few other forces going on too. Importantly, thrust from the engine, which sends a plane forwards. There's the resistance of the air as the plane moves through it. That's called drag. And there's weight. You need more lift than the weight of the plane to move it upwards into the sky. The Spitfire may have been fast for its time, but John tells me it's got nothing on the F-111, used by the Australian Air Force up until 2010.
This is enormous, John. It must have some serious power going on behind it to make it go.
Oh, you're quite correct, Matt. There's two engines inside this aircraft, and it actually flies at 2,500 kilometers per hour. If you put that in perspective, fly from Adelaide to Melbourne in 12 minutes. Now that's fast.
That is fast. Should we go do it then?
Right. Sounds good.
Wow, this is slightly overwhelming, John. What am I supposed to do
Very
now?
impressive, isn't it, Matt? Well, you have the joystick for flying, and that will take you in any direction you wish. You are the captain.
I'm the captain.
You're the captain.
Well, we're not going anywhere, I'll tell you that much.
And this young chap here who will eventually sit there was the weapons coordinator, and he looks after all the armament, all that type of thing.
After brushing with supersonic speeds, I'm going back to flight school.
All right, John, can you tell me what this is all about? This looks fun.
Yes, this is what is used in the 50s to see if any pilot or human being, whether it be male or female, had any coordination to the limbs, to the brain. And of course, the idea is to keep that light in the middle there for 2.5 minutes. If you could do that, you became or entered to become a pilot. So there you go, Matt.
Off I go. So if I
Prove
can...
your point. You should be a pilot and not a TV host.
Yeah. I thought this would actually be fairly easy, and it's not.
Clean the aircraft. Gator, or clean the aircraft, Matt.
Not exactly reassuring, but I definitely have a newfound appreciation for these magnificent machines and the people who fly them.